Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Ashok Leyland. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Ashok Leyland with an unchanged price target of Rs 221 in expectation of a sustainable double-digit EBITDA margin and steady demand trend. The company is receiving new order in bus segment and targeting a revenue of 800 to 1000 crore from defense business in FY24. While scouting for a right partner in EV business, it has invested Rs 662.5 crore in EV business out of planned investment of Rs 1200 crore. The stock trades at a price to equity of 14.8 times and EV by EBITDA of 8.1 times its FY26 estimates. Next, we have an update on Zydus Lifesciences. We reiterate a buy on Zydus with a revised price target of Rs 781 based on robust IPM data for November 23, new product approvals from US FDA, inorganic growth opportunity in orphan disease segment, and expectation of change in trend in the US. We see many visible levers of growth for Zydus going forward that would help sustain high earnings growth momentum in near term, led by Revlimid and other launches such as Vascepa and Transdermal in the US that will play out in second half of FY24. Steady domestic formulation growth led by its strong biosimilar scale-up. We expect EBITDA margin to expand around 100 bps every year to 25% by FY26 despite R&D spending in the range of 8%, which is investment towards innovation. A healthy balance sheet, Rs 3000 crore above in cash, will aid in case of M&A, and a clean compliance track record will help garner any short-term opportunities in the US. Citing higher visibility of sales traction in the US, which is likely to pass $1 billion in FY24, this will lead to strong earnings trajectory going forward. We raised our price target to Rs 781 per share. At current market price, Zydus trades at 21.8 times FY25 EPS of Rs 31 and 19 times FY25 EPS of Rs 36 per share. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.